Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you guys how to make a delicious tres leches chocolate cake. So in case you guys want to learn how to make this super easy and delicious recipe, just stay tuned and I'll show you how. Alrighty guys, so let's get started with the ingredients. So for our cake mix, we're going to need 3 cups of all-purpose flour, 3 cups of sugar, 1.5 cups of unsweetened cocoa, 1 tablespoon of baking soda, 1.5 teaspoon of baking powder, 1.5 teaspoons of salt, 4 eggs, 1.5 cups of milk, 1.5 cups of boiling hot water, 1/2 cup of vegetable oil, 1 tablespoon of Mexican vanilla blend, 3 cups of half and half, 3 cups of evaporated milk, 1.5 cans of sweetened condensed milk, and 4 tablespoons of unsweetened cocoa. And for our frosting, we're going to need 2 cups of whipping cream, 3 tablespoons of sugar, and 1 tablespoon of Mexican vanilla blend. So these are ingredients. Now let's get started. Alright, so first we're going to start by sifting all of our dry ingredients. So I'm going to start with my flour. Okay, next with the sugar. Next, our cocoa. Our baking powder, our baking soda, and our salt. Okay, so next we're just going to mix all of our dry ingredients. Next we're going to work on our eggs. Alright, so next I'm going to get my eggs and put them in a bowl. Okay, so now we're going to start working on our cake. Alright, so now slowly we're going to start whisking all of our ingredients. And then we're going to add our eggs. Our oil. Milk. And our vanilla. So we're going to whisk that for 2 minutes. So after 2 minutes and our cake batter looks like this, we're going to pour our water. Alright, so after 2 minutes, our cake batter is done. So now, get it out of here. Okay, so now I'm going to grab my 15 by 10 baking dish. At this point, you want to preheat your oven to 350 degrees. So now I'm just going to pour my cake batter. Just pour it evenly. Okay, so that's what it looks like. So now I'm just going to wait for the oven and then we can put it in there. Okay, so now we're going to put it in the oven for 35 to 40 minutes. Okay guys, so it's been 35 minutes and this is what the cake looks like. I'm just going to poke it in the middle with a toothpick to make sure that it's fully cooked. and it is fully cooked. So now we're just going to let the cake cool down for about 45 minutes to an hour. Alright guys, so once our cake has cooled down, we're going to start to mix our milks. So I'm going to add my 3 cups of condensed milk. And that's about 1 can and a half. And then 3 cups of half and half. And then 1 can and a half of our sweetened condensed milk. We're going to mix it all together, and then we're going to sift in our cocoa. Alright, so once we have mixed all of our milks, we're going to add in our 4 tablespoons of cocoa. And remember, we sifted, so. Okay, now we're just going to mix it all together until our cocoa has dissolved with our milks. So I'm just going to push it down on the sides. Okay, mix it again. Alright, so once we have our chocolate milk, we are ready to pour it into our cake. Alright, so grabbing a fork, I'm just going to poke all over our cake. Just so we can create a little hole so the milk can go down. Okay. So now I'm just going to pour our milk. And depending on how wet you want your cake, it depends on how much milk you're going to pour. Because I know a lot of people don't like it super wet, but a tres leches cake is supposed to be soaked. So we're just going to pour it. And just allow that to go down a little before we pour more. And you're just going to repeat the process until you have reached the desired amount of milk that you want in your cake. So this is the last cup of milk. Okay, so that's beautiful. So now I'm just going to cover it and let it chill for at least 6 hours or overnight. The longer, the better. I'm going to cover it. Now we're just going to place it in the refrigerator, and then after, I'll be back and show you guys how to finish it up. Alrighty guys, so once our cake is ready, we are ready to make a whipping cream. I'm going to be making a vanilla whipping cream just so like that we can balance, from all the chocolate. You can always make a chocolate whipping cream by adding 2 tablespoons of cocoa. So we're going to start by adding our whipping cream. So I'm going to add it in my mixer. Just 2 cups. Okay, we're going to add our sugar and vanilla. All right, so now we're just going to whip it until we have a whipping cream consistency. Alrighty, so we are ready to work on our cake. You're going to know once your whipping cream is ready, once you flip it over and it's taking its time to slide down, Alrighty, so we are ready to see our cake. Perfect. Now you can get very creative, you know, on the way you're gonna decorate your cake. I'm gonna go super basic and just add the whipping cream. And just spread it evenly on all over my cake. Alrighty, so that's good for me. Now I'm just going to sprinkle some cocoa. Okay. And now you can top it with any kind of fruit that you like. We love cherries, so I'm going to add little cherries. Oops, someone kind of just dropped.
Okay. Mom, I can help you.
You can help me eat it?
What?
You can help me eat it?
How?
This kid's been eating the cherries.
That's so I can help you. So it would be more easier.
Okay, here. You ready?
I want some more cherries.
Oh. Mmm.
Yummy. Smells so good. Yummy, yummy. Looks so
Yummy.
good.
Alright guys, and now for the best part.
The taste test.
Yes, I am ready. You ready? Okay, let's do this.
Can you cut it?
Cut it, cut into it. I want you to taste the cake, not the cherry. The cake is the best part.
No, the taste good too.
Okay, cheers.
Cheers. Yeah.
Mmm.
Mm.
The best. Seriously? It just melts in your mouth. And it's not super sweet, you know, super chocolatey. It's just perfect. Look at all that. The milk, it's all in there. I think this is the perfect amount of milk too. So you don't have to worry about your cake, you know, being very soggy.
Can I have another
Just perfect.
Another one?
Mm.
I'm gonna eat it right now.
And like I say, with the decoration, you know, you can always decorate it your way. So why went a little crazy with the decorations here, but
What?
it's still
What
the best.
decorations?
With the cherries.
I made all together.
He wanted to make sure that he gets a cherry on every bite. I hope you guys give this recipe a try. Huh? The hardest part, you know, is just waiting. But other than that, the best. Alrighty guys, and there you have it, my super easy and delicious tres leches chocolate cake. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, please don't forget to give me a big thumbs up, share it with your friends and family, and if you recreate this recipe, please don't forget to tag me on any of my social medias, and if you're new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button so you guys can be part of our family. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye.
Oh yeah, yeah. Oh, no, no. Eres perfecta mujer, de la cabeza a los pies. Tú pasas de mi nivel, tú tienes el piquete. De la forma que tú besas, mami, más simétrica que un origami. De la forma que tú besas, mami, más simétrica que un origami. Eres perfecta.